Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Pretty much any owner-occupant is qualified to bid on a HUD home for sale, meaning anyone who intends to live in the home full-time. There are just two requirements to purchase a HUD home as an owner-occupant. You plan to live in the home for at least 12 months after purchasing it. 24 January 2020.
Take our lead.
Whether a HUD home is listed as insured, i.e. insured with escrow repairs, i.e., or uninsured, UI, they all have one thing in common. They are sold as is. This means that HUD doesn't warrant the condition of its properties and will not pay for repairs or defects after a buyer's contract has been executed. 16 February 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
The FHA requires a minimum credit score of 500, but borrowers with scores over 580 benefit from a lower down payment requirement of 3.5%, as opposed to 10% for scores of 500 to 580. Your income should exceed your debt by a healthy margin. Lenders use a ratio called the debt-to-income ratio.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.